Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna replace our tail lamp. You can see right here that it's cracked. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. If the camera, alright, there you go. You can see it's cracked. The car we're working on, Kia Forte. So if your Forte look like this, doesn't matter what year it is, if it's 2020 or whatever year it is, once it look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure of me changing the tail lamp. So let's get started. So we're gonna open the trunk. Let's come right here. And once we open the trunk, we gotta come back here and we're gonna pull this part out. So now we're gonna have 1, 2, 3 screws that hold the tail lamp. Actually it's 4. We have another one right here. So it's 4 screws that hold the tail lamp. So we gotta take out those 4 screws. And it's gonna be 10 millimeter to take that out. So get a 10 millimeter. Take that one out. So guys, try your best not to drop these screws, because once you drop these screws, you're gonna have to take up this cover piece right here. So just take your time. No need to hurry. And also please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this channel together. And there we go, the compressor come in, guys. Compressor don't want to see we be great. Alright, so now we're gonna hold on the tail lamp and try to pull it out. If not, we're gonna have to knock it out. So come out. So guys, we just gotta try to hold it as tight as we possibly can. Hold it right here, hold it right here. Rock it back and forth. It's gonna come out just like that. Just gonna let it sit there for a while so we can go on the inside and unplug it. You can't see the plug. Alright, let's see the plug. So squeeze this and pull. So this part right here, this is the plug. We need to squeeze this right here, pull on it. This we need to push it through the grommet. We need to push through the grommet. Once we push through the grommet, the whole tail lamp will come out just like that. So we're gonna get one time for the thumbnail, maybe like that. So guys, this is the part number right here, and it's the left tail lamp assembly. I will leave link in the description if I can find any. Not sure if I will be able to, but because these are new cars, so I don't know if any links there. Alright, so with this tail lamp, it already come with the bulbs on the inside, so that's good so far. We're gonna run the wire through. Once we run the wire through, we want to pull the grommet. So we hold on the grommet, we hold it on the other side and pull on it so it sits properly. Because if you don't seal that, it will make water go into your trunk, and you don't want water to go in your trunk, so you got to hold right here and pull it through till it sits properly like that. This right here, we gotta plug it in. Alright, once you push it in and it snap, that's what it is. That's where it go. this right here. Now we need to get our 10 millimeters, our 10 millimeter nuts, so we gotta put those back together right now. So guys, you just want to put them on. Be careful, you don't want them to drop. And once you put them on, you can go ahead and tighten them up. You don't have to tighten them too tight, just snug them out. So I was telling you to be careful and I end up drop one. So don't be like me. Now I gotta go look for it. So now I gotta get the clip puller. So this is what happens when you drop it, you get more work. So now I gotta look for the clip puller to take this off. Alright, so we have two clips. We have one right here. That's one. That's two. Pull this down. We can hear the clip drop down some more. And now we're gonna have it like this. And we're gonna look for the clip down here. I'm just gonna feel back here, see if I feel, not the clip, the screw, the nut. I'll just get a feel for it. Alright, so we gotta lift this up a little bit. Well, we gotta lift this up. We're gonna have one clip right here. We're gonna have one on the other side, and then we're gonna lift up, pull up in the air. So guys, if you don't drop your clip, if you don't drop your screw, you can just go ahead and skip to the other side of the video. Oh, look where mine dropped, in here. Out of all places. Out of all places the screw could have go. It goes in here. So just gonna get that, put it on. So guys, if you don't drop your screw, you don't have to worry about this part of the video. So now we're just gonna tighten it back up. Alright, so far guys, we're putting back everything together. We already set this part back, catch back those two clips. Now we just gotta set back this. And also we gotta test to make sure the light works. So the light work guys, make sure you grab your tool, put this piece back together. Once you grab your tools, and oh, that's the way you change your bulb. Let me get the that's the way you change your bulb to when you take out the tail lamp. So I'm just going to demonstrate with this older one. You just go ahead, turn this counterclockwise, pull back out, push down on this counterclockwise, pull it out itself just like that. The bulb come out. you want to find the right groove, because one side is high, one of the studs are higher than the other one. So once you find the right groove, the bulb will be able to turn. So just like I turn now, I'm turning it right around, and then put the camera down so the bulb won't be able to turn. If you put it in like this, if it's in the wrong way, it won't be able to turn. So you just make a 180, and then that's good. Put it back in, find the correct groove, and then counterclockwise. That's how you change the bulb. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.